Dear friends of the mystical path, you have surely asked yourselves how you can positively influence yourself to bring about desirable changes in yourself and your life. This is what this course is all about in theory and practice. We will look at what we can change, why we should do it, and how we can do it. This is especially about unconscious behaviors and reaction patterns, as well as negative character traits that keep us from happiness and success in life. The techniques of autosuggestion, self-hypnosis and meditation help us to rid ourselves of negative behaviors and cultivate positive, desirable traits. Also, to achieve new skills or better performances, these techniques are of excellent help. Please check out the other videos for each single course. Thank you for your attention. As always, I wish you all the best and much love. See you soon.